Alright, I thought I'd just shoot a little video to show my ongoing project. This is a 2004 Ltz250 Quadsport. It's pretty torn down. There's the plastics, rear axle swing arm, all the wiring, including the harness, lights. It's all out. Everything electrical. Yep. Here are all the parts that have been off. Sorry for the mess. Been working a lot today and over the past months. Yep. Here's the engine. Just did a bunch of work to it over the weekend. It's got a brand new piston, rings. It's a 1mm overbore piston. I also lapped the valves this weekend. Brand new starter motor. New oil filter, you can't see it though. New spark plug. It's going to get a Hotcams stage 1 camshaft. It has a, it's going to be jetted. Yeah, it's going to be pretty fast for a 250. I'm going to paint the chassis. Everything's being cleaned. I'm not totally sure what colors I'm going to do yet, but I'm thinking a navy blue or just a darker blue for the chassis, powder coated chassis. A-arms and swing arm, I'm thinking about going black. And it will get a decal sheet for the plastics. Got to do some work on the rear axle and the front brakes this week. I put new pads in the rear, but we weren't able to get that working. The linkage wasn't cooperating. Probably wasn't doing it right. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down there. Yeah. Probably list all the parts that I'm putting in it. Oh yeah, it's gonna get a wide kit in the front and just some wheel spacers in the rear. I'm gonna go 4 inches in the back and 4.5 in the front. Yeah. I am very pleased with how the engine came out. I've spent hours cleaning this thing with soapy water and WD-40 and a wire brush, just with my hand. Yeah. Alright. I think that's all I got to show for now. Let me know if you guys want to see more about it. Yeah. See you later.